This week's assembly is Article 29 of the Rights of the Child.
Education must develop every child's personality, talents, and abilities to the full. It must encourage the child's respect for human rights as well as respect for their parents, their own and the other cultures, and the environment.
Education should prepare children and young people for a responsible life in free society. It should teach them how to live in an understanding and tolerant way that is non-violent and respects the environment around us.
I think that having a routine at school will help me with a job in the future. For example, I'm always on time for school and I know this is important.
My lessons at school help me to problem solve and identify my strengths and weaknesses. For example, I like particular lessons and reading, but not to write as much, but that's okay. It is okay. I am always encouraged to analyse and solve any problems I have. For example, working out class a lot, but I use my zones again now.
I am encouraged to treat others with respect and behave according to the laws and social norms. For example, I have been on many trips where there have been other people and I know to treat everybody with respect.
At school, I've learned to be a good citizen, especially during PSHE lessons and social communication. I have respect for others and their property.
If I see rubbish, I pick it up and put it in the bin. If my classmates' table need cleaning, I am always ready to help them. I am a good citizen.
I now have some new interests outside of school, which I would not choose as a job, such as football and playing chess.
Thank you for watching our assembly.
Bye bye.